everyone. So today I'm here to teach you on how to update any graphic card on Windows 11. So let's begin. First, you go to your window icon, left click, go to Device Manager. After going to Device Manager, you can see there's a display adapter. Click on it, update your driver. You can search it automatically. It has already been installed, as you can see, but sometimes it can be wrong and you need to be sure that if there's more update to it. So we can do it by going to a website. Example, if you have an NVIDIA, you can go to this website and you can search. Here I have a search one. So you can manually search a drive, for example, GeForce and anything you have, the one you have, and find. After finding it, you can find the product and you can update it. Now, if you have a AMD, which is best for both worlds, and we have option to take things into our own hand to download the driver specifically, so you can do it yourself. So this is the easiest way. And another is if you have Intel, this is the website. You can go and download it. I hope you find this useful. Thank you so much.